Ready to say goodbye to Trello? Let's walk through permanently deleting your account and all its data in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Trello account, then click on your profile icon. In the top right corner of the screen, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your profile settings page. Scroll down to the very bottom of the settings page. Here, you'll find the Deactivate Account button. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision before proceeding. It's crucial to understand that this action is irreversible and all your boards, lists, and cards will be permanently deleted. Check the box indicating that you understand the consequences of deleting your account, then enter your Trello password in the provided field. Once you've entered your password and checked the box, the Permanently Delete Account button will become active. Click this button to finalize the deletion process. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully deleted. Your Trello data is now gone forever.